everyone, I am Luis Salcedo for today's video. I'm at the Rainforest Cafe in the Disney's Animal Kingdom area, and today Mickey Mouse and I are going to be trying the Rainforest Wiki. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so here is the Rainforest Wiki. I like it. Very refreshing, especially because it gets very hot here in Florida. I like that. Me and Mickey give it a 8 out of 10. Probably if it was like a really sunny day, even more than today, because we are now in winter. If it was summer, that is even more hot than today here in Florida, I would probably give it a 10 out of 10 because it's really refreshing and sweet. So yeah, I recommend it.